Hi everyone. Today I'm showing you a new and a delicious way to enjoy your ripe plantain. I match ripe plantain, mix it with semolina, added a tasty egg filling, shape it like a meat pie, and fry it until goldy and crispy. This easy snack is simple, lovely, and preferred for anytime craving. So these are all the ingredients we'll be using. If today is your first time of tuning in, you're welcome. Please watch to the end, like, subscribe, and don't forget to comment. These are all the ingredients we'll be using. It's so yummy, delicious, and super. Watch to the end.